welcome into the Moving Into Post-Grad series episode 2. This video is going to be another moving vlog and more specifically organization, because all the big stuff is kind of moved into my apartment now. So it's bringing over all the little stuff. Like I'm about to get started putting all these clothes into my closet, organizing shoes, all of that fun stuff. If you missed episode 1, it's where I get the keys to the apartment, I show an empty apartment tour, and show the process of moving what we have in here now. So you can check out that video in the cards here or linked in the description box. Last night I brought some stuff over and set up this bookshelf I told you that I got from Container Store in the last vlog, but didn't show you guys. It is just this floating bookshelf. I got it in white to try to blend it in with the walls because I wanted it to look like floating books. And I filled it with the books that I have here now. I may bring some back from home. I just brought in about half of my clothes. These are like my summer clothes and dresses from my old apartment and just carried them in and threw them on my bed. So we are gonna start hanging them up in the closet. I'm gonna try to have a method to my madness here, but we'll see. I'm gonna throw on some country music and let's do a little closet organization montage. Gonna do a haul of Kirkland's and HomeGoods, all the stuff I bought for my kitchen, and then we're gonna be putting it all away. I'm also filming this on TikTok if you guys want a short form version of this moving process. You can check out my TikToks for other style content of the moving process. I'm having so much fun over there. And also in this vlog, I'm just gonna be moving more things. I have to be out of my old apartment by this Friday. All right, so I'm gonna make this super quick and just go through everything I got to fill up my kitchen. My boyfriend's amazing mom and dad got me a Kirkland's gift card for graduation. And so while I was home and had that party and got their gift, I went to Kirkland's and bought all the necessities. Utensils. So I decided to go with black. My theme for this apartment is white, black, and neutrals, as you are going to see. And so I thought with like a white kitchen, the black would look super nice. So I got 4 sets of these black utensils. These were on sale for $15, originally $20 each. And I looked on Target's app, I looked at HomeGoods, and that was the cheapest price I could find for a 5-piece set. So I got, like I said, I got 4 of these. I think that should be enough for me living by myself and having family and friends come over. It's actually the first thing I saw in the store, and I knew I need to have it because margaritas are one of my favorite drinks. One of the things I love to make in my apartment for friends, and I needed some margarita glasses to fill out my cocktail glass collection. So we got these. They say handcrafted in Mexico, recycled glass. Then I got some plates and bowls, and all these pieces were 50% off. So like these bowls, which I got in this like shell color, kind of matches the couch, so it's on that neutral theme. Originally $7 each. Again, these were half off, so like $3.50. 2 plates like this. I love plates that have the raised rim. I think this is so helpful. I'm gonna buy even more that come up higher. I'm gonna have more than 2 plates, but this was just what I wanted to match. 2 smaller plates, you know, salad or / dessert plates that are similar. These were also $7. I think the big plates were $8. And that's everything I got at Kirkland's. Then I hopped on over to HomeGoods and just got a bunch of necessities for the kitchen. I needed a pot for like boiling water, for pasta, soup, that kind of thing. I want to get the perfect pot from our place to match my always pan eventually, but just didn't want to pay $170 right now as I'm buying all this other stuff. So I got this still super cute pot. Again, it's like this shell color with a wood looking handle. And then we have a big bag full of just little kitchen things that I need. Sorry for my appearance too. I literally just drove back from Knoxville, so I was in the car for 3 hours. Little oven mitts. I love these half oven mitts. They're perfect. $6. Some dish towels. These were $6 as well. Again, just some neutral. It's like a gray with a little bit of a cream. I'm gonna switch out my dish towels depending on the season, but for now, those are perfect. They had this really nice KitchenAid can opener for $10. It also acts as a bottle opener. These tongs, I kind of want bigger ones, so we'll see if I find bigger ones, but this is the only size they had. $6. And then lastly, this was, I feel like, a really good find. A little oval baking dish for me to cook my salmon, my veggies, since I'm just cooking for one now and only need stuff for one. I got this. It's originally from Le Creuset, which I know, again, it's a great brand, and it has this really pretty neutral color inside and blue on the outside, and this was $20. So that is what I got from HomeGoods and Kirkland's. Now I'm gonna put all of this stuff away. Last night I powered through. I got a lot of the kitchen moved in and organized, so today's goal is bathroom. Also need to go to Trader Joe's and Target, and I need to clean out my desk because someone bought it through my Instagram story. It's already 11 because I spent the morning having to do some work and some editing, but now it is time to get moving, literally. We are loaded back up. Another trip. Time to head to Target and get some necessities. They're redoing this Target like completely, and I don't know where anything is. Guys, this apartment right now is an absolute mess. I cannot take it, but I am going to show you what I got at Target real quick. Another haul. This video is just full of hauls, so if you don't care, you can skip ahead. Okay, so I just got like all the necessity type things that you need to stock up, starting with some cleaning supplies, some stainless steel wipes, which I've actually never used before, but I want to keep my fridge looking nice. I needed Gorilla Glue to put together a glass I broke a few months ago, aluminum foil, parchment paper, refillable hand soap, and then refillable dish soap because I have a dispenser under my sink, which is super cool. Need a deodorant, some toilet paper. I needed a measuring cup. This one I've seen, it's super cool. It's where you can read it from the top. It's like, I don't know how it works. I've never used one yet, but I think it will be nice. Some sandwich bags just for on the occasion that I need to take something to go. Dish detergent pods, trash bags, laundry detergent pods, a colander strainer. I'm gonna get a whole set of spatulas and utensils like that, but I needed at least one. And so I got this metal one because I knew I could use it for on the grill this summer. I just grabbed this cup to teaspoon of measuring because it's black and simple. And then these kitchen scissors, paper towels. I got this for either one of my drawers if it fits or in the pantry to kind of organize. So I put all these things in this drawer just for now. We'll see if I want to keep it here. See, this is where I need like a shelf because they're so deep, these drawers, but that little shelf I just put together was too tall. So we'll see what I do, but this is just gonna be home for now for this stuff until I find out a better system. This is going pretty well so far. My sink comes with this refillable dish soap holder that goes to this pump. So we're gonna try this out. I wanna be like one of those refill queens where they like are refilling the cereal box and all the containers, like that's, oh shoot. You know what I don't have? I'm not a refill queen because I don't have a funnel. Not me realizing I think I could have filled it from the top here and it would have been significantly easier. But there we go. And I don't know what I'm gonna put on this shelf yet, but I do think it's gonna be handy because it adds a whole other shelf. So I just got these 2 new glasses from Amazon yesterday. These are the 2 I got from Amazon. They're a little smaller than I expected, but honestly probably perfect for iced coffee, especially this one. So I'm so excited to make my first iced coffee in the apartment. And I just picked up a new brown sugar creamer. I got 2 because the Trader Joe's was stocked, and one time I went there, they didn't have it. And I was like, no, cannot be allowed. This looks divine. So much happiness in a cup. I've been working on the bathroom. It is 9:40 p.m. pretty proud of these shelves I all got done. I did some stuff up in the black box up there. This is my skincare shelf. These shelves go back really far. I honestly don't know what else to do with them besides I could get some organizers, but right now I just have the products sitting there. Unused products and used products. Skincare, makeup, hair. Under the sink, I have just, you know, typical. I went through this whole bin, which was a lot. I added this little shelf from Container Store here with just like everyday hair and products and lotion. Another little organizer with stuff. And then I have these 3 drawers, which honestly I have way more, I feel like, extra space in the bathroom than the kitchen, but I'll just have my everyday products here in this top drawer, super easy. I have nothing in this middle drawer yet. And then I have my hair tools, other hair tools down here. That's good. Maybe having to put some office stuff in this unit because I don't have a desk or with drawers. But yeah, we are gonna start getting ready for bed because it is past my bedtime. I feel like this moving process that you're not seeing is just a series of me bringing in bags and bags and bags. This is stuff I've brought in, some I've unloaded, some I haven't. Trash, boxes, washing my sheets. And this is what we're tackling today. It's a little later in the day. I've had some work stuff to do and things, so it's 3 p.m. and I'm gonna try to get this closet done tonight. Got more to hang up. I have more still, not more clothes, but more stuff back at the old place. Get shoes organized, get this organized, or at least figure out what bins I need, and film this and a TikTok while we're at it. Okay, progress, shoe rack. I need to get little drawers for these, but I at least put away my workout clothes, underwear, some shoes, all from this suitcase. Now that the majority of my clothes are hung up, I'm gonna try to organize them. I think by like summer going into winter, I think shirts into dresses, and then like put winter in that back corner, and then do like pants and stuff, and then work out here. We have a rug, but I'm gonna wait for Jimmy to come here this weekend because I already have brought in so much for myself. I do not have the energy to move this bed and lay our rug down and re-put it back. So yeah, I think we're about to make our second trip to the Container Store. I'm gonna look online because there was a way that you could choose a day for 20% off everything. So I basically have a bunch of spaces that need storage bins, and I barely have any especially that match, and I need more hangers so I can finish my closet. I need to just make a list of everything else I'm gonna need from Container Store. They should sponsor me at this point.
For me, through a friend, and I would definitely recommend if you're maybe it's simple and clean. I don't need that. These are the values.
We did some more damage at my new favorite store, Container Store. I just needed to film this, like me finally hitting a breaking point about this rebrand and relaunch and just being so confused on what to do next. Because I think a lot of times we look at people online who have businesses, or I look to people and it looks like they always know what they're doing, always have it together, and this is the reality of being your own boss and figuring it out and having a business that you know, are learning to run every day. I've been super uncertain about some things right now and just hoping that it's gonna work out and that I can only do my best, and it'll be my best, and that's all that I can ask of myself. All right, let's go organize and figure this out. Okay, Container Store haul. I got this little acrylic shelf, either to be my new laptop stand because it's cuter than this one. Right? Okay, so either new laptop stand or maybe for this drawer because it's, like I said, I've been looking for a little shelf just to give me a little bit more space. So we have this. I'll figure out what to use it for. Then I was looking for storage bins for my cubes, which I got from Container Store actually. Like I wish they were sponsoring this video, guys. I really do. Because these smaller ones I have just don't fit. But this one is perfect. So this is the largest size they sell. This was almost $40. I just want to say, wow. But now I think that's going to look so much better in there. So I got 3 of those. And then I got this little one to see if it fits in my closet. And they had a deal where if you spent over $200, which I showed them my receipt from my last trip, they were giving away free hangers. So I needed new hangers and I got them for free. So that is awesome. I can now finish out my closet.